been feeling quite sick. Yeah. I've been feeling quite sick. I be in my bed sick. I've been feeling quite sick.
Luna, can I get an I love you? You're such a good girl. Oh!
Is that your beautiful baby? Is that your best friend? You love him, Ella? Say love you, Thor. Say good puppy and...
Ding dong.
Gasp at your dog and watch their reaction.
Ah, ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow. Ow. Ow.
What do you want? Do you want to go for a walk? No. I guess we could.
My happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy dog. Look at my happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy. My happy, happy guy. Oh, just a happy, happy, happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy, oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
How to recall your dog.
You kidding me? Who said that you're allowed to be this freaking cute?
Dog is so skinny that you can see the food going down. Bye. At your dog and see what they do.
No bite.
My mum says to me that make no fucking sense. Part 2. When she comes up to me and says, "Who's a good boy?" Well, I'm the only one here and I'm a fucking legend, so obviously it's
It all started when my mom met my dad, and they fell in love, and they had me. Hi, I'm Ryan, and my life, it's kind of crazy.
Leon. Dave? Leon, come here. Leon. Come here, bubbies. Come on, bubbies. Come on.
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
That has made my day.
Oh. Nice.